If you're building a brand today, whether it's personal, professional, or corporate, Google doesn't just want content, it wants credibility. In this lecture, we will talk about how to position yourself as a trustworthy voice in your niche. That means defining what you stand for, sharing real experience, and aligning with Google's EEAT standards: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. And no, you don't need to be famous or have a degree. You just need a clear identity and a track record of being useful, real, and reliable. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to define your niche clearly without sounding generic, communicate your personal or brand experience with confidence, create authority signals that matter to both people and search engines. Step 1. Choose a specific searchable niche. A niche is a specific area of focus where you solve a particular problem for a clearly defined audience. It helps both people and search engines understand exactly what you do and who you do it for. Saying "I'm a lifestyle coach" is vague. Saying "I help mid-career women manage burnout using neuroscience-backed habits" is clear and credible. Ask yourself, who are you helping? What do you help them with? Why should they trust you? A tight niche helps users remember you, and it helps Google categorize you. That's the first step toward becoming a recognized authority. Step 2. Share real-world experience, not just credentials. Google now values first-hand experience as much as formal education. So if you've done the work, share it. Here are some examples. A personal trainer who lost 60 pounds and now helps others do the same. A financial coach who paid off 40 KOs in debt and teaches budgeting through lived methods. A food blogger who tests every recipe in their kitchen and photographs the process. Even if you don't have a title or a degree, showing what you've personally done builds trust because you've lived it. Step 3. Build a brand identity that signals authority. Now think about your brand frame. This includes your bio. Does it mention specific results, years of experience, or named projects? Your photos. Are they real, professional, and consistent? Your tone. Do you sound like someone people can trust, or like you're chasing trends? When your site reflects your unique expertise, your name, background, and personal voice, both Google and users will recognize you as a genuine authority, distinguishing you from generic sources. Step 4. Align your positioning with EEAT. To Google, authority isn't just about what you say, it's how you present it. So once your niche and story are clear, ask, are you publishing content under your real name? Is there an author page or about section that explains who you are? Do other trusted websites or people mention you? This stuff matters. Even one guest post, one podcast appearance, or one client testimonial can increase your authority in Google's eyes. You don't have to be a well-known person or have a doctorate to be a credible source. You just have to own your niche, speak from experience, and show up consistently as a real, helpful person or brand.